In this video, I want to show you an easy way, yes, I said easy way to increase your affiliate commissions using AI. I'm inside a Notebook LM and I've created this notebook. It's called the Money Page Workshop, REMS 8. I'll explain what REMS 8 means in a second, but essentially what I've done is I've loaded everything that you need to boost, to increase your affiliate commissions here. So what am I talking about? I am talking about REMS version 8, taking the real world experience and the success that J.K. Dowdle has found and how he's turned 1 in 4 affiliate clicks, that's traffic, into sales for 10 straight years. I've taken all of the training inside of his REMS version 8. There's a link in the description that will take you over to my bonus page. I've loaded it up into this Notebook LM notebook, which has then given us the ability, and I say us because I've also created a community and a workshop, there's a link in the description, to utilize this information to increase our affiliate commissions. So I loaded all this up. Essentially, JK has identified a money page. He's explaining what a money page is. He has provided 4 different bonus ideas as well as some cheat sheets of the exact things that you need to do, or the information that you need to make sure that you include on your money page. Now I'm going to give you the basic concept here. Traffic is everything. JK even says that in REMS 8, and I talk about that all the time. You must have traffic to an offer, and the goal here is to put people on an email list. But in this case, JK has identified and he has decided that we are going to build money pages around the idea of doing a review and giving a bonus for an affiliate product. So essentially, the step 5 in my affiliating 9-step roadmap to build a profitable online business has just been enhanced when you pick up this training and get this, what I call the AI brain, inside of REMS 8, plus the community and the workshop where you have access to me and all the other marketers. Only 50 of us can be in the group based upon the limitations of this notebook. And it also keeps the group small where we can actually communicate with each other. But understand what we're doing here is we are giving it a prompt, or we're giving it some information. The focus here is for us to make it easy on ourselves, utilizing this information that JK has laid out based upon his real world experience of taking 1 in 4 clicks and turning them into sales. So there's a link in the description. It'll take you over to my bonus page. You'll see my bonuses, which are this Notebook LM notebook. And check this out. Good. Now create an example for a Make Money Online product that teaches affiliate marketing using Facebook ads. So in this example, we are pretending that we are going to promote a product using Facebook ads, and we are letting the AI make this simple for us. The focus shifts to just letting the AI do the work by creating the money page, or in this case, the prompt that we need to take over to Gemini, because Notebook LM is a little limited when it comes to actually doing tasks like writing copy. So you can see here it says to create an example money page for a Make Money Online product that teaches affiliate marketing using Facebook ads, along with a series of prompts for Gemini to create the copy to create the copy for you, the copy on the money page, consider the following. Then it came up with an example here. So what I did is I saved this note, and this note includes everything to include the objections, and it comes down here and it focuses on the bonuses that we're going to create to make sure that we increase. The focus here is letting people know that we have bonuses, just like in my proven strategy at step 5 in the 9-step roadmap, 10x your money with solid bonuses. Notebook LM, the AI, has created some example bonuses for us to work around here, as well as JK has given us examples of prompts that he has used for the different types of bonuses that he uses AI to create. So all we do is we just copy this, right? This note, it's all saved right here. I'll go ahead and show you it's saved right here. We just take that and we put that into Gemini. It's all done for you, right? You're getting the training from JK. The prompt's going in here and it's giving us a breakdown. Okay, here's a breakdown of the money page structure and example copy generated here by Gemini based on the detailed prompts, money page structure, and your copy. Then check it out. We come down here right? We get to step 5. These are your bonuses. Bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3. It's laid out the bonus structure for us. Now understand, we're doing this as an example, but we can and we will in the workshop and the community be looking at products, real products that we're all promoting, getting examples, seeing examples from other marketers and from me, right? And the idea here is based upon the 10 years of JK turning 1 in 4 affiliate clicks, taking his traffic, and every time, right, someone clicks 1 out of 4 times, he turns that into a sale. And I put all that here inside of the Money Page workshop for RIMS 8. And RIMS, by the way, stands for Really Helpful Internet Marketing Stuff from J.K. Dowdle. Right here, J.K. Dowdle, that's him. And this goes perfect hand in hand with my proven top strategy, the 9-step roadmap to build a profitable online business, starting with traffic that is the lifeblood of your business, a solid offer, increasing your commissions, right, with a bonus, but even 10xing your bonus now with the knowledge from a veteran affiliate marketer sharing everything that you need to know to turn 1 in 4 clicks into sales, and then still adding those people to an email list to ultimately profit and scale your affiliate marketing business. Link in the description, check it out. You're going to get the Money Page Workshop or the Money Page Workshop Notebook LM Notebook. You're also going to get a community and a workshop where you're in there with me and 49 other marketers for a total of 50 folks working through this process that we're learning from JK to set up an easy way. Yes, I said an easy way to increase our affiliate commissions using AI. Link in the description for my bonus page. Check it out. Thanks for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.